In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill rows or columns in Google Sheets on your desktop. This is an incredibly handy feature that can save you a ton of time when you're working with data. So whether you're crunching numbers or organizing tasks, these steps will make your life a lot easier. Let's dive right in and learn how to use the autofill tool effectively. First things first, you'll want to enter the starting value or values in your row or column. This is your foundation, establishing the sequence that Google Sheets will use to predict and fill in the rest of your series. For example, if you're working with numbers and want to create a series like 1, 2, 3, you would start by entering 1 in cell A2 and 2 in cell A3. If you're dealing with text and need to continue a pattern like task 1, task 2, and so forth, simply input task 1 into cell A2 and task 2 in A3. This creates a recognizable pattern which Sheets will intuitively replicate. Once you've got your starting values set, you'll need to select the cells that contain these values. This tells Google Sheets which pattern it's supposed to follow. The next thing to notice is the small blue square or circle at the bottom right corner of your selection. This little square or circle is known as the fill handle, and it's a powerful tool in your Google Sheets toolkit. Click on that fill handle and drag it. If you're filling vertically, drag it down the column to the desired endpoint of your sequence. Conversely, if you're working across rows, simply drag the fill handle to the right, spreading your sequence horizontally. It's crucial to make sure you drag the handle only over the range you want filled to avoid overwriting any existing data. Now, here's a nifty tip that can save even more time. If you're filling down a column and there's already adjacent data next to it, you can forgo the click and drag method and simply double-click the fill handle. Doing this will autofill all the way down, matching the length of your adjacent column. This is especially useful if you're working with lengthy data sets. Watching the columns fill out can be quite satisfying. And there you have it. Autofilling rows or columns in Google Sheets is as simple as that. These steps make your data management faster and more efficient, so you'll have more time to focus on analyzing the information rather than inputting it. I hope you find this feature as valuable as I do. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to enhance your Google Sheets experience. Happy filling, and see you in the next video.